Hey everyone, it's Brad Wood. In just a few days, I'm going to be flying to Munich, Germany again for the first time since, well, COVID. I'm so excited to be back in Germany at CFCamp. It's been years since I've seen some of the great people over there, and there's so much new stuff in the ColdFusion space to talk about. So I'm going to be putting on a workshop on Wednesday, June 21st called CommandBox Server Deployment for the Modern Age. And there's so much cool stuff I had to show you that's brand new in CommandBox, and they're going to be covering it all there. So I can't wait to get back together in beautiful Germany and to see all you beautiful people. So I'll see you guys there.